Let's start the demo video on Google Docs, which can be integrated with other applications too. But we will be showing Facebook page comments to Google Docs. So let's log in to the Wyzebulb account by clicking on Sign In with Google button. Click on Create Flow. We have two-section trigger and action. Choose Facebook page comments as our trigger. Application, select Facebook post comments as trigger event. Save and continue. Next, account section. In this stage we link our Facebook account to Wyzebulb. Now your Facebook account is connected by click on Connect button. Click on Save and continue. Next step is test event. Select the test sample. Click on Save button. Let's select the Google Doc application under the Action section. Select the action event Add text to document as the action event, then click on Save and continue. Next step is account connection. Connect your account with Google. Save and continue now. Move to the next step, that is set up action template. Fill the required data as per your convenience by clicking on plus icon. We can search or choose the data which has been mapped from triggers. Save and continue. This the sample document which selected in setup action. It's empty now. Now we test action on click of test action. If all the steps are success, this window will prompt successful message. Now we can see the data in your docs. Click on My Flow, providing proper name of the flow. Continue. Click on Save Flow. Now your flow is saved successfully. Let's automate the workflow. Open your Facebook account and comment on the page post. Now in document you can see the data from Facebook post comments here. For more details visit wyzebulb.com.